All right, today we're going to be talking about that Final Fantasy trophy, that Hell the Cane, that jump rope stuff. I made a video before in the past playing on PS4 and using obviously Windows 10. As you can see,
Me to get the 1,000 jumps.
I have the Windows 10 UI here, and I don't have Windows 10 anymore. I have Windows 11, as stated over here with the UI. So we're going to make a video, and it's actually going to be pretty easy and simple because someone made a guide. We have here on PlayStation Trophy, it's Pixie, and they made a guide of how to do it. So either I'm gonna put the link on the file, either watch the video or just go to this guy's link and just do it based on text base if you like. The download file will be down here as well. I will keep a file for myself in case it gets taken down one day. So obviously I downloaded it already. So it's right here. And we have the jump kit. So we're going to extract it and we're going to put it down here. And we're going to just do everything the guide says. The system cannot be found. I'm not sure what the, oh my god. There's some random errors. Don't save. Let's go in instructions. All right. So we're going to go through all the instructions and try to go through that thing. And we're going to go with install the Remote Play 4.1. We have to install this because this is an old version of it. And right now, Remote Play is in fact, like I think version 12. Installation package cannot be opened. Contact the application vendor. Verify that it's valid for Windows. So I couldn't open it. Oh, that's why. Because I didn't use this one. Yeah, we're doing this raw, my guys. I'm doing this raw right now. It says by running the MSI file. And we're going to launch Remote Play. This is all raw right now, boys. Sign to PSN. I'm going to pause the video because I can put my information. Okay, so after you install the Remote Play, you're going to go to the Remote Play version patch or release. And you're going to click on this application to pretty much patch the old Remote Play. So patching complete, pressing the key. That was fast. And I'm not sure, was this just installed right now? That was pretty fast. Let's see, Remote Play. Let's look at the details real quick. It was installed at 107, so this is the application for the Remote Play. So we're going to open it. I'm going to see if it works. So it does. Link manually. Actually, no, I don't want to link manually. I'll let it find it. We're going to pause this section too. All right, so as you can see, it's running. Now we're going to do the rest of the stuff. We're going to install the AutoHotKey. So we're going to go here. I swear to God, my freaking microphone doesn't work that well. Express installation, and that's about it. That was fast. So we're going to exit. That was a really fast installation. Obviously, I know this part. The script is already made for you guys, so you just go right here and pretty much click on Jump You Bastard and pick the auto key hot dash. We're going to do it once, and we're going to do, I think, Q-tip, but we'll see right now. So we're going to try Q-tip, see if that one works. Oh, what do you know, it does work. That was pretty fast and pretty easy. Not bad. And it's doing it already, you guys. It was that simple. The kit is so easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. So I'm actually very excited about that. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And oh, before I think you're gonna need to use something else too, though, because you're gonna have to edit the script. Unless this script will fully do the 1,000 jumps. I'm gonna pause the video and restart if it fails or completes. Because keep in mind, your internet latency will affect the whole jump sequence. So that's why you need to like edit uh, the latency. You'll see what I mean right now. So it failed. I'm not sure if it's because I clicked out of screen, but we'll try it again. This time I didn't click out the window, and obviously it stopped at 151. Now we had to change the latency. On my previous video, I think I changed it like 100, but heck, let's just go watch it. So my latency was 640 in this video. We're going to check the current latency, and we're going to change it until we get it. Keep in mind, I'm using the laptop. I'm using the PS4 Pro, and I'm on wireless setting because a lot of people have said that you have to be wired. And I've done wired and I've done wireless. I've done PS4 and I'm doing PS4 Pro right now. I've done Windows 10 and Windows 11. It just depends on tweaking the settings. So we're going to do that. So let's go. So that whole packet, it didn't come with this. So we're going to have to download this Site for AutoHotKey. We're going to need this because we're going to need to edit the format. You could try to edit it the other way. You could try to do it this way with Notepad if you want to edit the script. But I don't know. I feel weird doing it like that. But I guess we could try it out. If not, I guess we're doing this all raw. So whatever. Let's do 600. And we'll see if it actually makes a difference. All right. So I'm not going to show you every single time I'm editing the latency. I'm going to look for the perfect one. And I'm going to come back and show you guys the final result. So let's get ready for that. Before anything, I do want to mention this. I mentioned this in my previous video. Change the quality to lowest. It's already at the lowest. Standard. Obviously, it's for smooth. If you try high, I think it uses more internet. So that's one thing you need to know. But yeah, the settings are good, but you want to always make sure on that. So yeah, back to the latency. I'm going to come back as soon as I get the 1,000. I do want to mention that I had to change to wired on my PlayStation 4 Pro. For some odd reason, it was struggling a lot contacting the laptop. I don't know if it's because it's a laptop, but I did it wirelessly on my computer and on my PlayStation 4 last year. But apparently, I had to be wired this time because I was having a bunch of lagging issues. But yeah, you might have to do wired on this one. All right, as you can see, I have God damn it, the damn program resetted it. All right, freak. I had 1,051 jumps, about that. I do want to mention I'm using still, for some reason, I have to use Septimore. You could use Q-tip. Septimore resets once it fails and does it again. My latency was 700. If you guys remember, my previous one was not. My previous video, I had the latency set. Oh my goodness. Hopefully this takes off. And it does not take off. Wait for the damn thing to come off. Anyways, it's right there. It says 660. And I also do it on this video. And pretty much get it doing at 660. This one, it did it on 700. You have to edit the latency. I'm not sure if it's based on milliseconds or something. But all I know is that you have to change it. As you can see, it's been different from the one I was using in my previous video. I did do a little chart. I was going up. I was going 800, and then I was going back down, but the 700 worked for me. Once you reach a certain amount of jumps, you're able to pretty much have an idea when to start doing tens. So focus on the hundreds. 800 gave me 51 jumps. 900 gave me 4 to 7. 1,000 gave me 1 jump. So you just want to fluctuate. Sometimes my latency that I'm using is going to work for you, but that's not the case all the time. So you want to watch out when you're using this program. But it's pretty cool because once again, this thing came with a whole set. You pretty much just install your stuff and you just start the share play and pretty much begin. It's pretty nice. I like it. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm pretty sure the video is under 10 minutes, so I'm going to pretty much decide to put some extra content just to make the video 10-minute long because I guess if you make a video like 10 minutes long, it's better for the algorithm. But I hope you guys enjoyed it and I got to show you what's up. Oh, no, I'll mention it in the previous on the editing part. Right now, I'm not going to worry about it because I am going to edit the first beginning part that I made because I felt there's a lot of things I should mention. But other than that, let's head out. I'm out. Peace.